So you want to download Minecraft. So welcome back to this new video, guys, with Express. Today let's check out how we can actually get started with this great application of Minecraft. A quick tip here is that if you type Minecraft into Google, you have now this handy Steve. So this effect is actually going to be really awesome. If you wanted to try this out, just type Minecraft directly inside your in this case my computer, and actually check out how it actually looks. It's gonna be really awesome. So to get started directly inside here, the first thing you wanted to do, of course, is to type Minecraft, go all my way down here and look out for minecraft.net. When you click directly inside here, you want to look out for the option on the upper right corner that says account, and you want to look out for the option that says create an actual account. This process is going to be a little bit annoying, but it's going to be the best solution in order to have access directly inside here. If you already have an actual Microsoft account, just look out for the option that says sign in. In my case, since I already have an actual account, I'm going to look out for the option that says sign in with the actual Microsoft. So I look out for my account, I look out for my actual pin, I hit for continue. I don't want to stay signed in, and my actual account will be signed with me directly inside there. Now directly inside here into the upper right corner, you want to look out for the option that says games. If you see that your in this case everything appears into a different language than yours, if you go all your way down into the left corner, you can just click directly inside here and you can change for your best or the most common language you want to do. Now here I want to look out for the option that says all the games. Directly inside all the games, what you can do is that you want to look out for the option that says Java, Minecraft Java editions. You can download the Java and the Bedrock, but what I can do, for example, the first thing I wanted to do to buy this element usually is that you wanted to download the actual downloadable section into the upper right corner that says buy now. You look out for this element and you automatically have the Java and the Bedrock. So click directly inside here. You look out for the option that says your platform, which in this case is PC, Mac or Linux. And here is the actual new Java and the Bedrock Deluxe collection. The standard PC collection is a little bit more cheaper, but for example here, you have my coins, 5 maps, 1 texture map, 5 character creator items, 3 emotes, 3 scheme packs, only for $10, which I think is going to be really awesome. So what you want to do is to click into that element, look out for the option that says checkout, and this is the part where you wanted to enter the payment method. If you are, let's say, if you are not a parent, if you are under 20 years, or let's say for example that your parents are making this purchase for you, I strongly recommend you to bring out your parents to tell you about this specific purchase. So you wanted to enter all the information about the credit card of the person who's been making the actual payment. You look out for the option that says buy, and automatically you have now the Minecraft available into your computer. To install the Minecraft launcher after the buying, the site will be prompted you to download the Minecraft launcher. So when you hit into download, it's going to appear in here into the right section. So I can go back directly here into my file explorer and look out for my Minecraft element that I have just purchased. So usually it's going to be appearing directly inside here. In my case, I think that it no longer appears because I already have the Minecraft launcher. So when you download, just double click directly into that launcher and automatically will be signed in, since we have already signed it in through the actual the server. So pick your version and hit into the option that says install. The launcher will download all the necessary files automatically. So the Java and the Bedrock, which is to play, which one should you click? You can use the Java if you wanted to install the shaders and the actual mods. You can use Bedrock Minecraft for Windows if you wanted to play with friends who are in a console or mobile phone. So you can let us know into the comments below what you think about this actual purchase. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Let me know into the actual comments if you download the deluxe collection or the standard collection. Thank you for watching. See you next time.